Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Virtualbox 7, X, the matching extension pack and guest editions installed. Once done, enable VTX or AMDV in BIOS so pass-through is possible. Next, prepare the host GPU. Identify the GPU device ID and reserve it using IMU/ACS groups. Make sure to shut down the VM and host services before modifying PCI assignments. These early steps reduce conflicts and let you safely attach GPU resources to a VM later. Now you configure pass-through. On Linux, bind the GPU to vFIO PCI. On Windows host, follow driver isolation steps. Then edit the VM. Attach the PCI device or import VirtualBox XML entries that reference the GPU and its audio function. Once assigned, increase VM RAM and CPU cores to match GPU workload and enable 3D acceleration and nested paging in settings. Make sure to update VM firmware to UEFI if required. This helps proper GPU initialization and driver detection during boot. Finally, boot the guest and install the GPU vendor drivers as you would on bare metal. This unlocks hardware decoding and full acceleration. Once drivers are in, run a benchmark or GPU workload to confirm functionality and watch temperatures and power draw to ensure stability. If something fails, make sure IMU groups are correct, no host drivers are holding the device, and review VirtualBox and host kernel logs for errors. One key tip: rebind host drivers and reboot the host if pass-through devices remain unavailable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.